Trading the 1-minute chart often feels like a blur of chaotic movement. Consistent results require this noise to snap into alignment with the higher-level trend. To find that clarity, we use a 3-step multi-timeframe model designed to filter out random market patterns and isolate high-probability setups. Step 1 is preparing your workspace. Configure your charting platform to display 3 specific views: the daily chart, the 1-hour chart, and the 1-minute chart. Stacking these timeframes in a specific hierarchy transforms your process into a rule-based system where every lower timeframe move is validated by the higher timeframe context. We begin with the daily chart. This is the foundational layer of the strategy, used exclusively to establish the directional bias for the entire trading day. This daily candle has clear horizontal boundaries. We want a Type A closure. A bullish setup happens when a new candle's wick pierces the previous low, but the body closes above it. The bearish variation is the exact opposite, piercing the high, closing below it. The color of this candle is irrelevant. We are looking strictly for the sweep of a previous boundary, followed by a failure to close beyond it. This closure sets your directional rule. A bullish Type A means you hunt exclusively for buys. A bearish Type A means you hunt exclusively for sells. Establishing this daily bias ensures you are trading in sync with the higher timeframe momentum, filtering out counter-trend setups before the session even begins. With the bias set, we move to the 1-hour chart. We restrict our focus strictly to the New York session window, from 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. During this window, we wait for the market to sweep a prominent swing point, rating its liquidity. Next, we look for a 1-hour Type A closure. The wick rejects the swing point, and the body closes back inside the range, perfectly mirroring the daily behavior. This secondary pattern confirms that the higher timeframe daily intent is actively manifesting in the current session. If the 1-hour chart fails to produce this Type A closure, the setup is void. We do not proceed to the execution phase. Using the 1-hour chart as a gatekeeper prevents entering the market on low probability days when the daily bias isn't supported by session momentum. Once the 1-hour confirmation candle closes, we immediately drop to the 1-minute chart on the very next candle. On this micro time frame, we look for one final sweep. Price must form a minor swing point and then trade through it to clear out short-term liquidity. Next, we identify an order block, 3 consecutive down-close candles. We draw a horizontal threshold line across the highest candle body in this sequence. We then wait for a new candle to surge upward and firmly close above this line, validating the momentum shift. At the exact moment that specific candle closes above the line, you must immediately execute your entry. By waiting for a definitive close over the order block, you replace discretionary guesswork with a standardized, rule-based entry trigger. With the trade active, we pivot immediately to the mechanical rules for managing the position and protecting your capital. Your protective stop loss is placed precisely below the most recent 1-minute swing point that was swept prior to your entry. We then set a fixed take-profit target at a 3-to-1 risk-to-reward ratio. This ensures every successful trade earns 3 times the amount risked. To lock in progress, the moment price reaches a 2-to-1 profit ratio, you move your stop loss to the break-even point. Following these exit rules mechanically removes the urge to micromanage the trade, allowing the mathematical edge of the strategy to play out. When all 3 timeframes align, the market frequently expands away from the entry point as the higher timeframe intent drives price toward the target. This setup concludes with a clean hit of the 3R target, completing the execution cycle. The success of this trade is the result of capturing the expansion created when the daily and 1-hour timeframes are in full alignment with the 1-minute entry. To master this process, open your charts now. Identify 3 historical daily Type A setups and verify how the 1-hour and 1-minute alignment points would have developed.